Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Best Samsung phone $1,099. Ginormous and gorgeous 6.8-inch screen. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has such an immersive 6.8-inch display that you'll sometimes forget you're not watching TV. And the back of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is just as captivating as the front, especially if you opt for the Aura Glow color. Once you look past the eye candy, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, starting at $1099/$999, is easily one of the best Android phones. It delivers strong performance, a host of new S Pen tricks, including air gestures, and above-average battery life. I also like the fast charging and pro-level video effects. However, the cameras could be better. As I discovered during my Galaxy Note 10 Plus review, it's a great phone for those who prefer larger displays. The newer Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a better bet for power users, because it offers a smoother 120Hz display, faster processor, a bunch of S Pen upgrades and a more powerful 50x zoom camera. But the Note 10 Plus is worth considering if you want something more affordable. Galaxy Note 10 Plus Cheat Sheet. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10's mammoth 6.8-inch AMOLED display is one of the best we've ever seen and tested. I love the Aura Glow color and the way it changes color in the light, but not the fingerprint smudges. The huge 4,300 mAh battery allowed the Note 10 Plus to last an average of 10 hours and 47 minutes on our web surfing battery test, which is better than average. The included 25W charger juices the phone pretty fast, as the battery reached 65% in 30 minutes and 33% in 15 minutes. The new S Pen air gestures are fun but can be finicky. While the Note 10 Plus cameras perform well in low light, it's not the best. The lack of a headphone jack is a bummer, though Samsung kept the microSD card slot. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Price and availability. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus costs $1,099 for the 256GB version, £999/1,699 Australian dollars. You can also opt for a model with 512GB of storage for $1,199. But you should definitely check out our roundup of the best Galaxy Note 10 deals to get the lowest price. We routinely see Galaxy Note 10 sales that knock the price down to $949 or lower with activation. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Design. I have to give credit to Samsung. It has managed to cram a 6.8-inch display into a design that's both thinner and lighter than the Galaxy Note 9, which had a 6.4-inch display. This is partly because the Galaxy Note 10 has slimmer bezels, thanks to its Infinity O display with a cutout for the front camera in the top center portion of the screen. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Display. Short of a foldable phone, you won't find a larger screen on an Android phone than the 6.8-inch AMOLED panel on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And it is a sight to behold, with the same rich colors and wide viewing angles we've come to expect from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Fingerprint security. The Galaxy Note 10 has an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, similar to the Galaxy S10. The sensor works pretty well overall, but users discovered that both the sensors on the S10 and Note 10 could be fooled using a silicon screen protector. A subsequent software update from Samsung reportedly fixes this issue. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. S Pen. The S Pen has learned some new tricks with the Galaxy Note 10, but I'm not yet sold on how useful they are. The handwriting to text feature is designed to let you convert your scribbles and import them, such as into Microsoft Word docs. The functionality generally worked during my brief hands-on time, but the phone sometimes missed a letter. More important, it just didn't feel instant. Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Cameras. With its 4 camera sensors, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is definitely an upgrade over the Galaxy Note 9's 2 cameras. The back of the Note 10 Plus houses a wide-angle camera and telephoto lens like its predecessor, but adds an ultra-wide shooter to fit in more of the frame and a depth sensor to achieve more convincing bokeh effects when shooting portraits. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus Video. Samsung says the Note 10 Plus now offers pro-grade video. For example, the phone offers live focus video effects, so you can blur out the background or change the background to black and white while the subject is in color. This worked well in my testing. My colleague Rami jumped off some stairs with the live focus on, and the background of plants and passers-by was indeed blurred. Galaxy Note 10 Plus Front Camera. As for the front 10MP camera, I didn't love the selfie the Note 10 Plus took of me outside on an overcast day. My skin looks a little washed out, as does the rest of the photo. I do like there's a night mode for the front camera now, which can come in handy at restaurants, bars, concerts and more.